Back again, it's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all me want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. From una ear device, una know say one and only Atafa the Press. Well, the Irwin police are investigating a suspected case of drowning following the discovery of a man's body in a river in Gutters, Granville, St. James on Saturday. The man has been identified as 24-year-old Justin Jackson of Gutters. Reports from the Irwin police are that about 5:40 a.m., residents stumbled upon Jackson's body floating in the river and alerted them. My wisdom warriors, I just want to say rest in peace and my condolence goes out to the family. A man succumbed to injuries he sustained after the car he was traveling in overturned on the Long Bay Main Road in Portland on Saturday. Dead is Knoxroy Hewitt, 20, a resident of Rural Hill District in Portland. I just want to say rest in peace and my condolence goes out to the family. The Barracktown police are investigating the circumstances surrounding a motor vehicle collision on the Spot Valley Main Road in St. James on Saturday, which claimed the lives of twin brothers. Dead are 29-year-old Kenroy Miller, otherwise called Gunny, and 29-year-old Vinroy Miller, otherwise called Stammer. Both are from Palmari, Spot Valley in St. James. My wisdom warriors, a pure accident, pure collision. Those pure things are going on. I don't know what is happening. Pure accident happen. Pure accident. Left, right, center. Left, right, center. I just want to take the time out to say rest in peace and my condolence goes out to the family. Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake has warned of a zero-tolerance approach towards members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, who leak sensitive information to the public via social media and other platforms. Blake addressing lawmen in his weekly Commissioner's Corner, where he speaks directly to members of the JCF, said the force has found itself at a crossroad as its members engage heavily with platforms like WhatsApp and other social media channels for routine communication. Listen, hello, Kevin Blake. There's most a reason why you see them do that. It has to be a reason. It has to be a reason why they are doing that. You know why? You know why? Because they want the public to know the truth. This is why they're doing it. Because they want the public to know the truth. So when you come out now and you are say, how the JCF are carry out basically on a business and one bag or something, because the same JCF workers them, they not believe in a UNO. Especially you. They not believe in a UNO. They don't believe in a UNO. Them trust the bloggers them more. And they want the Jamaican people to know the truth. Because them not happy with what una do. Them not happy with what una do. But through they not no choice, them have to hide and chat. Them have to hide and chat. But let me tell you something, JCF. Una have to be very careful too. Yes, remember say Andrew Wellness say have this and that and he can find Ray and Tay. So una have to be very careful. Also, una have to know how to get out the news them. You understand me? Because hear this one you come out and chat off him out. Hear him come out and chat off him out. The people then, the same JCF not trust UNO. And then care for the Jamaican people. This is why they come out and make everybody know what is going on. I don't blame them. I don't blame them. I don't blame them. And that you have to come out and talk about. You have to come out and talk when una tell people, when una tell citizens, say, citizen, come out. Come out and talk to the police about what is happening in our community. Enough of the police, them same one, go back, go tell a man them, who and who come report upon them. And that you have to come out and talk about. But you're not easy. And that I'll know me not hear no come out and address them the something there. This is why people, the citizens, them afraid to cooperate with you know. Because their name a get called back and then enough of them end up dead. Because they cannot trust the system. Just like all the JCF workers them right now cannot trust UNO. Because enough of them not like what is going on. That's why you see them mafia contact and tell other people. Because they want the bloggers them to talk about it. Yes, they want the bloggers them to talk about it. You understand the wisdom warriors? Yeah, because them not like what is going on. Them not like what is going on. Anyway, wanna tell me what you think.
Unbalanced. The Prime Minister has been hammered. Yes? You guys have been beating him on this matter for the better part
as
of
he
what?
would if this matter was on our side as well.
On his side.
Yes,
If
yes,
it
yes.
was the shoes
if
were
one
on
of
the
it
other,
was on the other foot,
they
yeah.
would be.
Yes,
Yes?
yes, yes.
And therefore, we have to take into consideration, where else does he turn? If he feels that he has really been the victim of a hard-done job,
Yes.
where else does he turn?
That's why I'm
But the
saying the
court.
ball is in the court. The court now must quickly move because it's a
Yes.
matter of not us interest, but public importance.
Right.
Because the politicians must also know that there is no cover under the court for any long period of time.
Sure.
So anybody that feels injured should have that final activity, that final effort.
Right.
The Integrity Commission can't be left unrefereed. So therefore that is a reasonable end. But it can't be that you get a 6-month reprieve so I think that where we are now is that the court should quickly convene, should then make a statement, and that the Prime Minister and the Jamaica Labour Party should from now indicate if the judges are PMP or not. It shouldn't be that after the outcome now you hear that the judges are PMP too. You understand what I'm saying? So therefore we need
You didn't do
we need a
that.
previous declaration.
No, you can't. No,
No, because
no, Senator.
that is the modus operandi. Once it is not in their favor, the practitioners are now PMP. Now, for a party that have 49 to 14, I don't know how so many people are PMP. You understand? The results of the last election don't show that. But everybody that is not in their favor and every outcome that is not in their favor.
But certainly, Senator, you know that based on how we conduct our politics over the decades, yeah, that's the tribal reaction.
But there's
that's
also
a tribal instinctive reaction.
But the tribal reaction.
If somebody rules against your
Yes.
political interest, you blame them, you tag them with the
I
opposition.
don't look for malice unless I don't see logic.
No, you don't do it, but
Right.
we know that happens here.
Yes, but
by
no,
the
the
populace.
leaders are the ones that are leading the pronouncements, the accusations of political practitioners, when many of them were chosen by these leaders themselves. So a person cannot be hamstrung. 'Cause you know what I fear now? That the Integrity Commission might feel hard pressed to go and try and find one PMP to make it don't look like they are really that. But you understand? So we have to be careful, as I say, what we destroy in the society.
My wisdom warriors, want to think about this interview. Me like the way how Damion Crawford deal with it. Yeah, me like the way how him handle it. Because that the one day him just, me don't know why him feel sorry for Andrew Honest, because I can't hear it in him voice. How that the one day feel so sorry for Andrew. I just don't understand. How can you feel sorry for somebody? He's not a baby. He's a big man. He knew what he was doing. He knew what he was getting himself into. He was the one that implement all this. You understand? And when you now go for them way now, they must say, IC is PNP, this PNP, that. When IC is an independent body. When you hear Andrew Wallace say it out of own mouth, he even go far and say, no lawmakers cannot intervene. And he's a lawmaker. And he's doing that now. So I like the way how Damion Crawford answer the question. Tell me one thing.
If it was Mark Golding, this happened to, oh God Almighty. Labor right, you come over here, say, well, you can't tax on labor right. You tell me truth, labor right. You that put him on the light post up and tie the rope up there. And shoot him off long blood clot time. Yo, you know me not tell lie, you know. I don't know me not cap.
My wisdom warriors want to think about this, because I agree with him. If it was the other way around, remember me tell you no. The whole of them would have out long time. When them done with Marky G, and not normal. When them done with Marky G, listen, they not have nothing upon Marky G, you know. Notice, you see, oh, all right, even the FinSat report, notice what talk about it. Only their supporters. Only their supporters talking about the FinSat report. Remember, say Omar Davis come out and beat them, and tell them, say, if you release the report, because them have the report sit down, from 2021, Them have the report, so why them not release it? Remember, every single thing you see them beat Mark Golding for. So how they now come out and beat Mark Golding for the FinSat report? And that me want to know. How them now come out and beat Mark Golding for the FinSat report? Because they can't. Them cannot do that, my wisdom warriors. Them cannot. The Jamaica Labour Party ministers, them cannot, because them no say Mark Golding, Omar Davis, Peter Bunting, not depend at the report there. At them alone, depend at the Labour right. After they done the investigation, then find out say the Labour right them depend FinSat report. That's why you hear they now come out and talk about it. And just the supporters them a come out and over all you have a chopper one over there. So lie. My wisdom warriors, that man is so lie. Me don't know where him come from. But him a danger. You see if God did stay like man. You see if God did stay like man. My wisdom warriors, trust me. Trust me. Even me out here, I tell you no, release the report. Release it. How comes you can't release it? Una na have nothing upon the PNP. Una na have nothing upon the PNP. Only thing una have a one bag of mouth. One bag of mouth. That's all una have. Una na no proof. Una na no evidence. Una na have nothing Labour right. Come out and show the report. Me tell you no all the time. Come out and release it. Omar Davis come out in the paper. And he beat you and tell you no say, release the report. Release the report to the public, but you can't do it. Because you know say Labour right depend that. And you know how it go. You know how it go. My wisdom warriors, tell me what you think and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. Remember to follow me on TikTok, IG, X. The link I got there in the comment section. If you want to join the WhatsApp group, all you have to do is text yes to 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.